Hi friends, hope you are doing great. Today we are going to see Looker. So what is Looker? So Looker Data Sciences. So Looker, it is an American computer software company. Looker Data Sciences Inc. It is an American computer software company headquartered in Santa Cruz, California. It was acquired by Google in 2019 and is now part of the Google Cloud platform. Looker markets a data exploration and discovery business intelligence platform. Okay, so what is a Looker? It is an enterprise platform for business intelligence, data applications, and embedded analytics. So, what is embedded analytics? Embedded analytics, which is the technology designed to make data analysis and business intelligence more accessible by any application or use. In another term, what is a Looker? So Looker, which is a powerful business intelligence tool that can help a business develop insightful visualizations. It offers a user-friendly workflow which is completely browser-based or eliminating the need for desktop software and facilitates dashboard collaboration. Among other benefits, users can create interactive and dynamic dashboards, schedule and automate the distribution of reports, set custom parameters to receive alerts, and utilize embedded analytics. Okay, so next we will move on next. So when to use Looker? If we are looking for customized visuals, collaborative dashboards, and a single source of truth, plus top of the line customer support, Looker might be the best business intelligence platform for us. So, next one. Now we are going to see features of the Looker. So, first one is powering data experience, second, integrated end to end multi cloud platform, third, common data model over all our data. Then fourth, embedded data experiences, and fifth, augmented analytics, last, tailored data applications. Okay, first we are going to see powering data experience. Looker gives us the tools to power a multitude of data experiences from modern business intelligence and embedded analytics to workflow integrations and custom data apps, regardless of where our data resides. Looker offers a unified surface to access the truest, most up to date version of our company's data. And with data integrated into users' daily workflows, organizations can extract value from their data at web scales. Next, integrated end-to-end multi-cloud platform. It connect, analyze and visualize data across Google Cloud, Azure, AWS, on-premises databases or ISV software as a service applications with equal ease at high scale with the reliability and trust of Google Cloud. So what is ISV software as a service? Software as a service for ISV. ISV, it means independent software vendors. So what is an independent software vendor? Which is a business or an individual that builds, develops and sells consumer or enterprise software that is consumed by end user. So in other words, an independent software vendor is a company whose main function is to distribute its software. So next we are going to talk about the common data model over all our data. So it is operationalized BI for everyone with powerful data modeling that abstracts the underlying data complexity at any scale and helps to create a common data model for the entire organization. Next, embedded data experiences. Embed analytics anywhere with rapid time to value and full customization with powered by Looker. It customizes the look and feel of our data experiences. Robust APIs, SDKs, and a library of popular integration put us in control. Next one is augmented analytics. Augment business intelligence from Looker with leading edge artificial intelligence, machine learning, and advanced analytics capabilities built into Google Cloud Platform. So final one, tailored data applications, create collaborative data-centric apps from teams, from supply chain logistics to sales to support, across industries with interactive data visualizations and embedded machine learning. So next we are going to talk about integrations to power data experiences. Looker integrates absolutely into business workflows, embeds into third-party systems, and enables companies to build their own data applications, all while delivering world-class business intelligence capabilities. The design of Looker helps unlock the value of all our data by unlocking the full value of our database. Looker queries the database directly, whether that is a BigQuery, Redshift, Snowflake, Oracle, or others, and quickly returns the results through our medium of choice. Looker helps organizations deliver impact through data experiences that fit the way people work. Yeah, we are done with the Looker. What is a Looker? So Looker features we have seen, when to use the Looker, and finally we have seen that integration. We have finally seen that integration to power data experiences. That's it, friends. So we are done with the Looker concept. In our upcoming video, we are going to see the Looker demo. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye bye.